Welcome to this meditation designed to ease your mind, release the weight of anxiety, and bring you into a state of calm. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting or laying down, and gently close your eyes. Bring your attention to your breath. Take a deep inhale through your nose, feeling your belly gently rise, and then slowly exhale through your mouth as if you're exhaling the tension itself. Now, begin to scan your body from the top of your head down to your feet. Notice any areas of tension, tightness, or fatigue that have built up. Acknowledge these areas without needing to change them. Recognize that these sensations are your body's way of asking for rest and care. With each inhale, bring gentle attention to these areas. With each exhale, remind your body that it's okay to let go now. Allow your shoulders to soften. Your jaw to unclench. And any tension to gradually release. Feel your body becoming lighter, as if each breath is gently melting away the stress of recent days. Now turn your focus to your thoughts. Notice any lingering concerns, unfinished tasks, upcoming responsibilities, or simply a busy mind. Don't judge the thoughts, just acknowledge each one as it arises. Imagine that these thoughts and events are like items in a bag you've been carrying. One by one, set down each item, each worry, each unfinished task, each lingering thought. Visualize yourself releasing these items, letting them go for now. You don't need to carry them with you in this moment. With each release, feel a sense of lightness, as if your body and mind are finding new freedom and space for calm. Take a deep breath in and then exhale fully through your mouth, gently tensing your abdominal muscles to release all the air. Repeat this 2 more times. Inhale and exhale. Allow yourself to feel gratitude for all that you've accomplished, big or small. Recognize that each experience, each challenge has led you to this moment of peace. Give yourself credit for all that you've done, and remember that resting now will help you feel stronger for whatever comes next. Gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Perhaps stretch a bit. And slowly open your eyes.